Hello everyone, I have created this authentication project where the user can log in using the email ID and there will be a two-step verification. The user will get a password, OTP to while login. So I am going to create a new account here. So I have registered a new account. So if user uses the same email ID to register a same new account, if it already exists, so it will show that user has already registered here, so it will throw an error. So it shows that user already exists here, so user can use the email ID only once. So I am going to log in with the email ID for which I have created the account. Clicking on the login button, the page will be redirected to the OTP page where user will get the email OTP on the email ID. And if user does not get the OTP, so by clicking on the resend OTP, user will get the OTP again. So I am going to check my email ID whether I have got the OTP or not. So for the current, if I use this email ID which I have generated earlier, so it shows that it is expired or invalid because it is valid for only the 5 minutes. So I have to use the latest one only. So this is a OTP which I have generated recently. As we can see the time, it is showing 0 minutes ago. So I am going to copy this OTP, and by clicking on the verify OTP, if it is okay, it will be redirected to the home page. And if in case the user does not get the OTP, clicking on the resend OTP, he will get the OTP. So I am going to create a new OTP in case if I am not getting the OTP. So I have clicked on it. Let's see whether I am getting the OTP or not. So there will be a message that it has sent the OTP again to the email ID. So let's check whether I have got this or not. So here is the OTP. I am copying this one. So it was the correct OTP. So I have logged into the home page, and user can log out from here also. Just clicking on this logout button, the page will be redirected to the home page. And coming to the code, for the front end I have used the React.js. This is all the pages which I have used. This one is a login page and OTP generation page, and for the backend I have used the Node.js, and this is the controller section, and here is the backend code written for it. This function manages the user register when the user will register here, and it also checks that it is a unique email ID or not, whether it is created in the database. And this function is for the login the user, and while logging in I have used the node mailer where the node mailer will send the OTP to the on the register email ID, and this is the code written for the node mailer which is used to send the OTP to the user. And this is the routing path. There is a login route, and this is all the AND API for the login, register, verify OTP, resend OTP. And this is the JWT I have used to manage the session, JSON Web Token. And this is the model schema. I have used the MongoDB to store the data, and this is I have used to generate the random 6-digit code to send as OTP to the registered email ID of the user. And I have also used the rate limiter here to stop the exploitation of the API. So this rate limiter will use after the 10 times, and user can send maximum 3 times of the OTP only. So this is all about the project. Thank you.